Hello students, in this session of the haloalkanes and haloarenes, we are going to discuss with the named reactions of this particular unit. Only the named reactions we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's start with the reaction. The very first reaction of this is the Schwarz reaction. Basically, we use a Schwarz reaction when we want to make a alkyl chloride. Now, whenever we want to make a alkyl chloride, what we do, we take any of the alkyl bromide. आप कोई भी alkyl bromide लेते हो. Like over here, I have taken a methyl bromide. We take a alkyl bromide, we make it react with the inorganic chloride, and we also subject that particular reaction to the heat. When you are going to make that particular reaction is subjected towards the heat, then what happens, that the bromine gets displaced by the fluoride, and this bromine comes and attached to your whatever the inorganic uh, substance you have taken. So we get over here we get manufacture with the alkyl fluoride. The next named reaction is the Finkelstein reaction. Basically, Finkelstein's reaction is made for the exchange of the halogen. Now, whenever we take a halogen exchange, in that case, you can take either any chlorine as a halogen or a bromine as a halogen. This is made react with the sodium iodide in the presence of the acetone. Besides the acetone, we can also take a ethanol over here, and what happens, that it just your iodide gets just exchanged with the whatever the halogen is being given over here. If it is Cl, we will get with the NaCl. If it is a Br, then we will get with a NaBr. Now the question comes over here, that why do we use a acetone over here? Now acetone we use over here as NaI is more soluble in acetone. Therefore, according to the Le-Chatelier's principle, the reaction moves in the forward direction. And as the product whichever is formed over here, they are the less soluble in acetone. The next reaction we have over here, Borodin-Hunt-Dicker reaction. इसको हम सिर्फ हंस-डिकर रिएक्शन भी बोलते हैं. इट इज अ चेन डिग्रेडेशन रिएक्शन. अब ये चेन डिग्रेडेशन रिएक्शन क्यों है? यहाँ पे व्हाट वी डू, वी टेक अ silver salt, or you can say silver acetate. Now this reaction takes place in the presence of a carbon tetrachloride, and we do a reflux. Now what happens over here कि जैसे silver salt हमने लिया, so what is over here, what is happening, this Ag gets react with the Br, तो ये as a AgBr eliminate हो जाता है. This C double bond O, it eliminate as a carbon dioxide, means यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे decarboxylation भी हो रहा है, and this CH3 gets attached with the remaining Br. Basically, this particular reaction follows a free radical mechanism. The next named reaction is Bals-Schiemann reaction. The Bals-Schiemann reaction के अंदर क्या होता है, that your aniline, first of all, it gets react with the NaNO2 in the presence of HCl, and it forms a benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, this benzene diazonium salt, it reacts with the HbF4. अब इस रिएक्शन को लिखने के दो मेथड्स होते हैं. If you are going to react it with the HbF4, it makes you a fluoroarene. Nitrogen comes out, BF3 comes out, and HCl. The another way is what, that it is made react with the HbF4 only, but यहीं पे HCl निकल जाता है. We write down N2BF4 minus, it is a unstable over here, आप इसको adduct भी कह सकते हो, and when it is subjected to heat, तो इसमें क्या हो जाता है, डिग्रेडेशन, डिकम्पोजिशन हो जाता है. On decomposing, what happens that we get a nitrogen, BF3 and your chloroaine. अगर you are following this particular way, then you are not going to write down the HCl over here. Why? क्योंकि HCl पहले ही eliminate हो जाएगा. If you are following this upper way, then we write down the HCl over here. The next reaction is the Gettermann reaction. Gettermann reaction में we prepare a haloarine. Basically we take a diazonium salt, we take a copper. इस केस में we take a copper in the form of the powder. And अगर हमें क्लोरीन ग्रुप जो है वो अटैच करना है बेंजीन रिंग में, तो we take a HCl. But if we want to attach a Br group, so what we do? We take a HBr over here. अब Gettermann का ही just opposite reaction और a same reaction only, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस जो है वो आ जाता है आपका in the Sandmeyer reaction. Gettermann reaction में we was using a copper in the form of the powder and HCl. In this particular we are using a Cu2Cl2 अगर हमें क्लोरीन चाहिए and Cu2Br2 if we want a bromine. So they both are same, only the difference of the form of the copper. The next named reaction comes your Woods reaction. The Woods reaction basically we follow for the symmetrical alkenes like 2RX. RX में you can take any alkyl halide. It is made reacted with the sodium, 2 molecules of the sodium in the presence of the dry ether. So we get basically your whatever the alkene we are getting. Like इस case के अंदर I have taken a ethyl bromide and this. So what is going to happen? This Br is going to attach with the sodium. So we are eliminated with the 2Na Br plus अब क्या बचा आपके पास CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 means you are remaining with the butane. Basically whenever we want to increase a chain we have this type of the reaction. अब Woods reaction में ही we have the two types. One is the Woods-Fittig reaction. Woods-Fittig reaction जब हम word use कर रहे हैं it means एक alkyl halide है आपका और एक aryl halide है and same it is in the presence of the ether and what is happening over here also your NaBr is coming out. Okay, the third one over here is your Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction के अंदर दोनों आपके arenes हैं. Now over here is also what is happening, NaBr is coming out and we are getting a diphenyl dimer बन जाएगा. The next reaction is Ullmann reaction. Ullmann reaction is a kind of a your Woods reaction only. The difference only over here is what we use a copper over here and in the case of a iodine, and it is done in the sealed tube. Okay. The last reaction of this particular unit is the named reaction is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Basically, Friedel-Crafts reaction follows a electrophilic substitution reaction and it is of the two types. One is a alkylation and another one is a acylation. Now over here, like we are having the chlorobenzene, when it is subjected to the alkylation, you are going to take a alkyl group in the presence of a anhydrous AlCl3. So because Cl group is present over here, so Cl group is what? It is going to be a ortho and para directing due to the presence of the lone pair. So your CH3 is going to attach at the ortho and para position. If you are having the Friedel-Crafts reaction as a acylation, then you are going to take a acetyl chloride, that is your CH3COCl in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3. The same, it is going to take place at the ortho and para position. So basically this complete unit consists of the 11 type of the named reactions which are very important, and I hope that you are now very clear with all these named reactions. Good day for today. Just revise with this complete unit.